Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, we will write a program in Java programming language that will check what is the highest and lowest number given by the user using one-dimensional array. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So basically we have here import Java util scanner public class smallest underscore highest, and then we have here public static void main. It is the starting point of every Java program. Scanner input, and then I declare num new int 10 elements in our array, one-dimensional array. And then we have here the title of our program, smallest and highest number in Java, how many items stored in our variable n, and then we are using max value and min value for smallest and biggest int data type. So here in the portion of the code, it will accept a series of numbers and then comparison for smallest and then the biggest. So num I greater than biggest, biggest equals num I. If num I less than smallest, smallest equals num I, and then it will display here the smallest number is smallest, the biggest number is biggest, and end of program, and then we close our scanner. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free. Let us run our program to check the result. Highest and smallest and highest number in Java, how many items? You have 6. Let's see, 5, negative 67, 346, 8, 23, 12. So the highest number is negative 67, the biggest number is 346, end of program. Another example, you have 8, 3, 4, 78, 34, 12, 98, negative 45, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the smallest number is negative 45, the biggest number is 124, end of program. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.